Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to stream radio in IMVU. As you can see, there's many people facing problem to stream on radio. So let's start our video. First of all, you need this URL to stream the radio. Go to your browser and search there stream url.link. You need this link to stream the IMVU song. So as you can see, search here in which genre you want songs. So you can see here some Hindi song streaming links. So copy link from here, then go to your IMVU, click on this icon, streaming icon, then turn on the streaming radio on. Then you can put this URL here and click on load.
राम भाई की ट्रेन नहीं पी तो फिर क्या किया? कोई बात नहीं, जब आप अहमदाबाद आओ तब पक्का से ये चाय जरूर.
So as you can see, this is how you can play any song, any kind of song in the radio. I will also put stream link radio in the description. So please like and subscribe, and bye.